Aprilia RS 457 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. In a bold move aimed at a new generation of riders, Aprilia has introduced the RS 457, a motorcycle that's turning heads across the globe, especially among beginners. Merging Italian racing heritage with accessibility and modern technology, the RS 457 is quickly earning recognition as one of the best motorcycles for beginners in 2025. Positioned just below Aprilia's flagship RS 660, the RS 457 is designed to deliver sport bike performance in a package that's approachable for new riders. Whether it's your first bike or your gateway into the sport bike world, this machine offers a rare blend of power, refinement, and manageability. At the heart of the RS 457 is a 457 cubic centimeters parallel twin, liquid-cooled engine, producing 47 horsepower, the maximum allowed for A2 license holders in Europe. This makes it ideal for entry-level riders seeking strong performance without feeling overwhelmed. The bike's lightweight, just 159 kilograms, 351 pounds dry, ensures nimble handling and easy control, even at low speeds or in urban traffic. The RS 457's chassis is where Aprilia's racing DNA shines through. Featuring an aluminum twin-spar frame, a rarity in this segment, the bike offers exceptional rigidity and agility. It's paired with $41 million front forks and a monoshock rear suspension, both preload adjustable, a serious setup for a beginner-class motorcycle. New riders will also appreciate the bike's accessible ergonomics. The RS 457 features a balanced, sporty but not overly aggressive riding position. This makes it suitable for longer rides as well as city commutes, allowing beginners to ride in comfort while still getting a taste of true sport bike posture. Safety and technology are front and center. The RS 457 includes dual-channel ABS, a ride-by-wire throttle, and even 3 selectable riding modes, which adjust power delivery and traction control, helping beginners tailor the bike's behavior to their comfort level. A 5-inch TFT display, LED lighting, and a quick-shifter-ready system and #40, optional and #41, elevate the bike's tech profile beyond most entry-level motorcycles. Visually, the RS 457 is a stunner. It draws inspiration from the race-winning RSGP MotoGP machine, with aggressive fairings, sharp lines, and a purposeful stance. Available in bold, racing-inspired color schemes, it stands out in traffic and looks fast even when parked. Affordability is another strong point. While it's a premium product, Aprilia has priced the RS 457 competitively, making it accessible to younger riders or those upgrading from smaller displacement models. Combine that with its fuel efficiency, relatively low maintenance needs, and growing dealer support, and it's easy to see why the RS 457 is quickly becoming a favorite in the beginner sport bike class. In summary, the Aprilia RS 457 is a revolutionary addition to the entry-level motorcycle market. It offers everything a beginner could want: thrilling performance, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable Italian styling without sacrificing rideability or safety. For new riders seeking a thrilling yet manageable introduction to motorcycling, the RS 457 is undoubtedly one of the best motorcycles for beginners today.